If you're a tech enthusiast, get ready to demystify blockchain's secret sauce consensus mechanisms. Alright, picture this. You and your friends need to agree on where to eat. That's similar to how blockchains reach a consensus on transactions. Consensus mechanisms ensure everyone's on the same page, preventing fraud and double spending. Let's break down the three big ones you've probably heard about: POW, POS, and DPoS. First up, proof of work, or POW. Think of it as a high-stakes puzzle competition. Miners race to solve complex puzzles, and the winner gets to add a new block to the blockchain, along with a shiny reward. It's secure and reliable, but boy, is it energy-hungry. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin use this method. Next, there's proof of stake, or POS. Instead of puzzles, it's all about staking your crypto. The more you stake, the higher your chances of being chosen to validate transactions. It's energy efficient and faster, but can lead to wealth concentration. Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Solana love this approach. Then we have Delegated Proof of Stake, or DPoS. It's like a democracy. Users vote for delegates to validate transactions for them. This makes it super fast and efficient, but it's a bit less decentralized. EOS, Tron, and Steam are fans of DPoS. There are other cool methods too, like proof of authority and proof of history. So, which one's the best? It depends. POW is rock solid, POS is green and fast, and DPoS is super efficient. What do you think? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more blockchain insights.